Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, after a volatile session, the Australian dollar bounced off a 2-week low around 68.45.55 and maintains above this level. However, we can see by the RSI, it still hasn't been able to penetrate through the midway point to confirm a positive bias. We do need to see at least a break through this level, therefore would generate a move up towards 69.35 with 70 cents still pretty much in focus. Until we get a break of the downside, then the bullish view should hold. The euro took a stab at the downside overnight and briefly looked at 104.10. From the rejection, we got a slightly positive hammer, or close to that. Nevertheless, the market still maintained above 104.10.15, and from a New York close that is. And while we continue to hold above here, we could see a retracement back towards 104.75.80, which was briefly touched this morning, and then on towards 105.35. The market is not quite broken this support level, that is, for dollar yen at the region that I was viewing at 135.65. Still, the market is still weighing a little bit heavily, and as I was saying before, either a break or a blow off top should continue to maintain a negative bias as the indicators are still very much heavy. Overall, though, I'm not bullish from this pattern, and therefore eventually a break at 135.65 should ignite the move to 133.70.90. The pound also stays a better price performance overnight and now coasting its way from that 121.10 support and looking potentially to 121.65.70. In light of the pattern, I feel we could actually get further to 122.20.25 and reassess from there. Sterling CAD still holding above that support level seen around 156.10.20. And while doing so, let's see if these indicators can pick up a little bit more momentum. And if so, a break above 157.25 should give further upward passage to 157.90. Gold weaker overnight and very much to that target of 1,801 to 1,804. I feel the market's still a little bit heavy. The trend has strengthened from the ADX point of view and therefore could see further bias if we see a break of 1,800 and look towards 1,788 and reassess from there. Profit taking is expected from this region. Oil was heavier overnight as the market from the bearish outside range day or engulfing candle got the confirmation from the break of 107 and now looking towards 102 as a potential target. Technically, it's all lined up for that move lower, so let's see if it can come through today. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoyed a great start to the morning.